guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sid the Garage Boy. Today I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Something that I have never seen before. Something that you guys will find interesting, and that's what I thought. I'll make a video out of it. This is my friend's vehicle, Jaguar 2018 XE, which I am hoping my friends and these two brothers that they can join our channel soon. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you right now. Basically, this vehicle has 91,000 miles, and it was bought from the auction. We're gonna go ahead and fix it up right now and go ahead and sell it, but it was intentionally bought for parts so that we could use these parts to fix our other Jaguar with similar make and model and year. We're gonna use the front bumper, rear bumper, we're gonna use the engine, everything. However, check this out. I'm going to show you something very, very interesting. Check this out, guys. This vehicle, 2018, is burnt. Literally burnt. We took out this hose right here. That's the wiring harness, but we took out a hose that was absolutely completely fried up in here. Look at this, look at this. It caught fire. So as you guys can see over here, completely burned off. You have this piece I took out over here that was also burnt. But look at the wiring, guys. Check this out. Literally fried. Literally fried. Look at that. And guess what? The car is turning on. Unbelievable. The way it happened, actually, as if you could see over there, the pulley broke. There's supposed to be another pulley right up underneath the water pump right there. Right there, the pulley broke and the belt became loose. And I believe what happened was, because there was no circulation of coolant, the car overheated, caused a fire in electrical wiring, and it literally burned off the back. Look at that. That entire backside is burnt off. Okay. Look at this wire right here. I mean, I don't know how we're gonna fix this piece, but you know what? The car's turning on. So we gotta somehow figure out what part needs to be exchanged and what part we could live without. And in terms of leaving it in there, and there's no issue with the car. So right now we're in the process of adding that pulley, the tensioner that will keep the belt inside and keep the car on, because the alternator's not working, the battery's dying. So that's about it. So the plan is to sell the car. Overall, it's a great car. You guys can see it. I mean, the body looks great. Look at that. Pretty good. It's nice inside as well. Very nice. Leather seats, nice interior, no issues. The guy did not smoke. So we're gonna go ahead and try to sell this one and try to fix it first, of course. The car's turning on. No lie, the car's turning on. If you don't believe me, well, too bad. But we're gonna go ahead and replace the parts, and we're gonna go ahead and see what kind of margin we're gonna get with this one. That's about it. Yeah, I wanted to show you this piece, masterpiece, burnt masterpiece, where we're gonna see how many things we're gonna have to fix, how many parts we're gonna have to replace. The things that we don't need to replace, leave it in there. Just wrap some electrical tape around it, and we should be good. So like always, thank you so much for watching. Hope to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you keep subscribing, I'll go ahead and keep making this video. So